Hi Facebook, morning. What are you guys up to? I don't know about you, but I've been locked in for such a long time and I haven't been taking care of myself. So I decided that I don't want to come out there after a few months looking a hot mess. So let me take care of my face. So in addition to doing a mask and scrubbing my face, I'm also exercising. Maybe I'll bring a video doing my exercise. But I'm working on making a scrub. It's a sugar scrub. So I have my ingredients here. I have the sugar, 1/3 cup of sugar. I have 1 lemon. The lemon brightens your skin. I have some honey here, pure honey. And I have coconut oil. I have olive oil. And I have some almond oil. I usually break out with oils on too much oils on my face, so I'll go with a little bit of olive oil. And we also need some water. So it's a scrub for the face, so maybe you can use it every day, but you want to keep your face nice and clean. So first I'll squeeze half of a lemon. You guys can see I have half of a lemon here. Half of a lemon. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. This is my olive oil. This is a special oil. Specially made for me. It's a special oil. Some olive oil. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So as I said before, you can also use coconut oil if you want to. You can use almond oil, you can use whatever oils you have, vitamin C oil, vitamin E oils. All of those oils are really great for the skin. So I have some sugar here. I'll add it. And all you guys who know to cook, you know how to average these things, because we Guyanese, we really don't go by measurements. We have the sugar here, and then I'll add some of the honey. Maybe 1 tablespoon also of honey. Yep, my honey. And that's enough for a facial scrub. And you apply it to your face and leave it on for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So you apply it on a clean face, so make sure you wash your face before you apply this. Leave it on for half an hour. Maybe I'll come to you tomorrow with a mask and not scrub, but our skin needs to remain clean. I also have with me the a steamer, so I would wash my face clean, steam my face, open up the pores, and then I would apply this. So I hope you guys gonna follow and keep the skin nice and clean. All right, so summer is coming up, we want to look good. All right, so have a wonderful day, everybody. Take care, be safe.